court.
It's not that simple, Bunk. Judge gives me 3 weekends out of 4. I still need her to cooperate. You know, move it around. So when I have to work through a weekend, she switches with me. The judge gives me 3 weekends with no flex. I still lose.
You two can't talk this through.
No.
How is it you always got the whole world pissed off at you?
You know Daniels? Narcotics?
Mm-hmm. What about him?
He's running this detail.
Watch your ass, then.
Why, you a snake?
No, he ain't that, but he's a company man. You know, a prospect. Grapevine says the next district to open up is his.
Shortlist for major?
He's black, still young. He hasn't pissed anybody off. Shit, he even has a law degree.
No shit.
University of Baltimore, but still, you know.
Well, he's gonna fuck this Barksdale thing up.
How's that?
Buy bust? It's pissing in the wind.
You already fucked it up, Jimmy. You made it happen.
I feel like that motherfucker at the end of Bridge on the River Kwai, you know? What the fuck did I do?
The Bridge of what?
You seen that movie?
Mm-mm.
I am fucked. Fucked is me.
God damn it, you're gonna make me go another round. Come on.
Hey, where you at?
Where you think?
Late for work?
Little. How much you got left?
Girl, please. 10 pages and all the footnotes.
When's it due?
Tomorrow, beginning of class.
Long night for you?
Long night for me.
I'll make sure and pick up some coffee.
So, I drive all the way down the Liberty Road at 2 in the damn morning. On the midnight shift, I got 2 murders and a police shooting going down. To do what? Get a goddamn mouse out of my wife's bedroom closet. Can you imagine that shit? So what did you do? What the fuck you think? I got the mouse out as fast as I could, drove back to work. Couldn't do nothing else. Nadine out of her fucking mind over this little ass field mouse. I mean, she's up on the chair and shit when I come like some goddamn cartoon.
I mean, how did you catch the mouse?
Catch him, I lit his ass up.
You shot the mouse?
Mm-hmm.
You're 9?
First shot killed my wife's dress shoe. Got him with the second. What?
You shot a mouse with your service weapon?
Yeah.
What do you do with the carcass?
I cleaned it up, you know. Thought about leaving that little motherfucker there as a warning to the others, you know. Oh, fuck me. It's 3:30 in the morning. I'm supposed to be early relief. Jimmy, man, I gotta change my clothes at least. Come on.
I'm gonna do this case.
What?
I'm gonna do this case. The way it should be done.
So buy a bus, Jimmy. Get in and get out.
Now, fuck that.
Jimmy.